It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm at the Luxor, and this is my hotel room. It's the Tower 1 bedroom suite. Let's take a look. All right, you need your room key for the elevator, so don't lose that. Now let's take a look at this place. I mean, this is a suite, all right. Not just because it has a giant wet bar with a mirror, but because it has another room, the bedroom, because this is the Tower 1 bedroom suite. And it is pretty sweet. There's another room, the bathroom, with 2 sinks. So perfect for 2 people. And look at this, a tub. Also perfect for 2 people or more. And the shower. How many people can you fit in here? It's pretty big. Let's get in. Well, I can fit myself in here pretty comfortably. I could probably fit some more people in here too. So let's see what else there is in this suite. I do like to see what we got in terms of the soaps and lotions, and we have body lotion, shampoo. Okay, so 2 body lotions, 2 conditioning shampoos, and a cleansing soap, 2 cleansing soaps. There's 2 of everything. 2 of everything in here. Perfect for 2 people. There's 1 toilet though. So, and there's the door for your privacy is right here. It includes the entire bathroom, shower, and tub. But you can close it. And there you go, privacy. This is a pretty big bed. I don't know if you can tell, but it's big. See? I'm planking. Ah, very comfortable, even sideways. So I'm sure it's comfortable the normal way. Oh, very relaxing. And the pillows are pretty soft, which is how I like them. I like a lot of them. I got 4 of them right here. This is great. Now, if I had someone staying here with me, I think I'd have to request more pillows though, because I kind of need all 4. Okay, what else? Hey, how about the view? Let's take a look at the view outside here. Now it's nighttime, but look, you can see Excalibur. And that's about it, but I mean, that's a pretty good view of Excalibur at night and daytime, I'm sure. We'll see how the daytime looks tomorrow. How about what's in these drawers? Nothing. This is like a dresser. Drawers. Nothing in the drawers. Oh, always hoping there's something cool, like somebody left all their money here. Lucky me. All right, let's go back into the living room, the other whole room we have here in the Tower 1 bedroom suite here at the Luxor. The thermostat looks like it's set at 60, which seems a little cool, but it's actually, I'm comfortable right now. Air is blowing out here and feels good to me. Oh, this is pretty comfy too. A lot of relaxing can be done in this room. There's just a lot of places you can relax. I can relax here on the sofa, but there's also a chair right here. Oh, how about that? Very relaxing. And then there's 2 chairs here. Look at that. Oh boy. Ah, this is the life. I just read that the filthiest, germiest thing in any hotel room is the remote, so I won't touch that. And we've got some Welcome to Luxor propaganda here. Here's the Pyramid Cafe. I just walked past the Pyramid Cafe. It's about 9 o'clock at night, and it was closed, so not sure. I guess it's just open for lunch. There's more More propaganda, and there we go. M life, living the M life here in this Luxor suite. The sweet life. Here's the phone. I'm sure this is like the second germiest thing, so I don't think I'll touch this at the moment. I do have some wipes, but I haven't wiped everything down yet. And here's a big table and more chairs. So this is perfect for me to have some breakfast, lunch, or dinner if I so choose to eat here in the room, or just a snack if I want to have my oatmeal or my peanuts or my goldfish. I can have those right here at this table. And let's look at the wet bar. I believe I spy a refrigerator. I believe this might be, I mean, it could be loaded with those, the stuff you shouldn't touch or you get charged, or it could be empty for my own personal use. I'm hoping since this is a suite, it's gonna be for me. Let's see. I was right. Look at this. It's a, what the heck? I don't know if that was put together right, but anyway, it's cold. That's what matters. It's nice and cold. This part's just mildly cool, but this part's cold, yeah. Well, maybe the glass is just extra cold. The sides aren't that cold, but either way, I think it's cold. It sounds like it's on. So I got my personal fridge here to put my refrigerated goods. What's under here? Nothing, plumbing. And what about this? This doesn't do anything. And what about this? It's a sink. All right, so look at this. Fancy ice bucket. Well, I mean, it's silver. I guess that's fancy, but you do have glasses, real glasses. Not, you know, paper cups or something terrible. And look, here's more lotion and soap. I don't know, what are you supposed to, oh, I guess that you can wash your hands, okay. So, let's see, this is the coffee area here. This is one of my favorite things, is when they have a coffee maker with different types of, you know, instant coffee packets. Maybe I'll make some right now. Yeah, let's do it. Let's just make some right now. Okay, so now I just need to find out, how do I do it? It says, for best brewing, open package and place coffee pod flat into the brew basket. All right, I've done this before. It's not my first rodeo here. Still have to read the instructions though. Prepare according to brewer instructions. Oh, there are instructions on the brewer. Fill the water tank first to 1 cup. It says to 1 cup line only. See if there's any debris in there or anything weird. But it looks fine. The one pod, and it says use a left one, which is the one I already put it in. Oh, they select 1 cup. I've never used a dual cup one before. This is exciting. And press on. Okay, plug it in and press on. Here it is over here. In the meantime, we can take another look around this room. There's some artwork on the wall. I don't know what that is. Modern art, I guess. And more modern art over here. I mean, I like it. This is nice art. It's like subtle and not distracting. Just kind of a bunch of blotches of color, which is fine. And oh yeah, over here, did I show you this? I don't think so. This is the bedside phone. Yeah, there's another phone in the room, I guess. This is the same type of phone. Not gonna touch it till I wipe everything down. Certainly not the remote control. This light, I tried to turn all the lights on. This is the only one. Wasn't working. Seems a little loose. But there's the bed, and I hear something happening with my coffee. That was pretty fast. Hey, it looks like coffee. What if it's really good? What if Luxor in-room coffee is the best coffee in Las Vegas? That would be exciting. All right, almost ready. But I want to just, you know, make sure I get the, look at the fabric on this. I kind of like this too. I like these old, I know some people are probably looking at this and going, that's old, and you know, but I think I like this. There's like a hole in it too. I don't know what that's for, but it's fine. I just like the spaciousness of this room. I mean, look at all of this room. And this is just one room. There's another room. Whoa, what was that? Oh my God, look at this. What is it doing? Is it supposed to do that? It's like it's breathing. All right. Here we go. Trying the Luxor in-room coffee. It feels extremely hot in my hand. It's too hot. It's too hot. Let me let it sit down for a second. It was clearly on fire. It was breathing smoke. Let's go back to the bedroom. I like this bed. Look at that. You can jump on the bed. What if I just jump on the bed? My parents aren't going to tell me not to jump on the bed. I don't want to hit my head on the ceiling though. Look at that. It's a nice, I don't know what that is, but I like that ceiling too. It's nice to touch. Not sure if anybody would ever want to touch the ceiling or why you would have the occasion to touch the ceiling, but I'm touching it now and I like it. All right, enough touching the ceiling. Let's get back down here. And you can see this. Again, I don't know what this is exactly, but I like the feel of it. And I guess, you know, you can put your luggage or something here. Or I don't know, what do you put here? Do you just sit here? Oh, no, that's too hard to sit on. Bed is much better. Let's go back into the bed. No, let's try the coffee again. It's got to be ready now. Okay, here we go. Luxor in-room coffee. Still very hot. It's burning my hands. Oh, look, there's some Eat, Love, Live condiments. Let's open it up. All right, Eat, Love, Live condiments. Sugar, I see some sugar in there. Oh, it says Wolfgang Puck Coffee. Is this Wolfgang? No, this says Farmer Brothers. So what is this? Why do they have, it does say WP there. I thought that standard for, I don't know, something else. All right. Hey, all right. Look at, ooh, there's lots of, oh, look at that. Cream, sugar, not sugar, and two of these things. All right. How about put some creamer in there? That'll probably, whoa, jeez. Guess I should have done that. Creamer. All right. Ooh, look at this. And I guess why not a little sugar? Oh, is that too much? Okay, I think it's ready. I'll wash my hands. Sugar all over them. Luckily, I can wash them right there. Perfect. All right, let's try this coffee. You got the stir covered in sugar. Lots of sugar. Is that enough sugar? Is that too much sugar? Do I need more creamer? I got sugar. I still see, I didn't even put all the sugar. It's still right there. Or maybe that's the creamer. I don't know. Let's try it. All right, final tasting. Luxor in-room coffee with cream and sugar. That's pretty good. I think the cream and sugar might be the key. I usually drink coffee black, but I guess from now on it's 2 packs of sugar and a little bit of creamer. Or a lot. I don't know. I'm still testing. I'm still workshopping this in-room coffee, but it's pretty good like this. This is perfect. This is just what I need to get downstairs and start gambling. And then when I'm done risking my hard-earned money for a temporary thrill, I come back up here and relax. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the Luxor Tower 1-bedroom suite. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat, see, do, places to stay, people to meet. But it's all you can Vegas.